Did you know that if you check the tire pressure on your car, look for this secret port under the steering wheel, plug this device in, connect your phone to your radio and use this app, you can make your car sound like anything you want? Here's how it works. You plug this into your OBD port under your steering wheel, download the Rummer app and connect your phone to the aux port on your radio. Click connect and now the app can see the speed of your engine and it plays the sound of your choice through the speakers in real time.